So today I'll be showing you how to install Apple Music on your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. Now, in case you have an iPhone with Apple Music subscription, you can actually sign in to the Apple Music app on your Galaxy Z TriFold and enjoy your Apple Music library right on this device. So you want to go into the Google Play Store, go to the search function and search Apple Music. So from the search results, you should see Apple Music. Make sure you get the correct application. And this is from Apple directly. So go ahead and tap on install and have the app downloaded and installed on your phone. Then now you can click on open. It's going to welcome you to Apple Music. All you have to do now at this point is tap on sign in and sign in with your Apple ID. And you're going to have all your library, your songs, every purchase you have right on this device. Thanks for watching and good luck.